My babies are finally here! Look at how cute they are, my pretty dollies. I'm so happy. But the best news? Sammy's taking care of them.
That's right! I'm gonna be a fairy godmother! My tiny princesses, so adorable! What do my precious girls want? A pony? A toy car? I know! I'll make a castle for you!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Sue, help! We gotta make a castle for baby dolls!
No worries, Sammy. I've got just the thing. We can use this cardboard, but it's kinda plain.
I'm reading your mind, Sue!
Amazing! The perfect color.
How about adding a bit of glitter, too?
Let's use this sparkly paper as wallpaper.
Sue, our castle needs towers! How will we make them?
We need a tower-like object. Something that looks like a tube. Any ideas?
I'll check! Something that looks like a tower. What could it be? I better peek inside! Toothbrush, rubber duck. I know! A toilet paper tube! Excuse me, do you maybe have a toilet paper tube?
It's really not the best time, but I've got one.
Thanks a million! Sue, I think this tube is pretty tower-like.
That's exactly what we need. I'll just make 2 cuts right here and here. Yep, this will do.
Sue, do you like my new hat? Hey!
This will make our tower soft and cozy. Now it's time to build the walls. They are standing! Achievement unlocked! Even better than I thought. And the last one. The perfect spot for the castle. This is gonna be the 2nd floor. But that's not all. We can make more towers. They'll look amazing at the corners. Here we go. Can't skip the walls.
I've made more walls!
They fit perfectly. I think we should add the 3rd floor. Amazing. We need spires to top the towers, Sammy.
No problem! Super Sam can find anything!
I hope Sammy won't take long. I'm really into this craft.
Told you I was the best for this task!
Wow, Sammy, the color is right on point. And they also fit perfectly. And the last one. It starts looking like a real castle. Let's keep going. We'll upgrade our castle with more towers. One on the right, another on the left, and one more right in the middle. We'll cover these towers with pink spires.
This tower is weird. We need a special spire.
You're right. Any ideas where we can get it?
Sorry, Sue. That's on you. I'm going to the movies.
Where have you been, Sammy? The movie is starting. Take some popcorn. Well, while Sammy is busy, why don't I do my nails? Help me pick the color. The movie was amazing. Glad you made it. See you soon, Sammy.
Sue, you should have come too. It was cool.
Yeah, hold up. It'll make a perfect… Oh, a treat for me? Look, it fits! Great job!
Yep, that's exactly what I planned. Sue, this crown means I'm the king of this castle. Ah!
This isn't a crown, Sammy.
Do you want to say that this isn't a necklace then?
Exactly. It's a wall decoration. And that's where we'll place it. Another one here. And one more. Wow, pretty.
But Sue, how are we gonna enter the castle?
That's why we need a door. We need handles to open this door. Lovely! And the finishing touch? These cute doors match the vibe of the castle. Next, we'll make windows.
I found windows on sale. Can we use them?
Whoa, just what we need. Awesome, Sammy. It looks so much better now.
It's gonna be even better with my design elements.
Let's check it out. They add style to the castle. Every proper castle needs a flag. Here we go. On second thought, the more, the better. Let's check out the back of the castle. How should we style these 2 floors, Sam?
Give me a few minutes and you'll see my genius designs. Hi, Granny. How are you doing here?
I'm fine, my dear. I see you need help.
We're building a castle. Maybe you have some old furniture?
Actually, I do. You can take this old bed, Sammy.
Perfect! Thank you so much, Granny. Look, Sue, I found a bed for one of the rooms.
It's a very nice, comfy bed, but it looks kind of boring. So why don't we paint it blue? Wow, what a beautiful color! I think this is way better. It looks so stylish. I've got a tiny mattress. We just need to cover it with a sheet. And this is gonna be a pillow. And a matching pillowcase.
This set looks very bright and comfy. Let's check if it fits.
It does! Look how adorable this little bed is! Here it goes.
I love my new bed. Time for a test drive.
While you're resting, I'll craft a floor lamp. First, I'll make a tube out of this fabric. A wooden stick goes here, and the lamp is ready.
Okay, we need more furniture. Wait a second. Someone threw away a nice bedside table. I think we can put it to good use. Sue, look what I found.
Sammy, but it's dirty and old. And what's this? Ah! Spider! Let's see what it looks like without a cobweb. What if I also paint it blue? Not bad. I think this bedside table has potential. Look at how cute it is. This spot is perfect for it.
This is a charming room. But wait, it also needs a few paintings. They'll add a cozy vibe.
Sure. I think flowers will look great on the walls. Now we just need to color this painting. What do you think, guys? I think it'll look great here.
I drew a painting too. Is it pretty, Sue?
Very! We can hang it here.
No, I love everything about this room. But I'm a bit tired.
Sue, when are you going to start my room?
No worries. Your room is next.
I think I'm almost done. Ah! Eyeshadows!
Well, what do we have here? What a nice vanity. It'll fit the room style. I think Sue will be happy to upcycle it.
Where's my vanity? Was it in another room?
Ta-da! Do you like it, Sue?
Oh, that's an amazing vanity. But we won't need this makeup. I'll cover the mirror to prevent it from staining. Let's make the wood nice and smooth. Much better. I think pink is the perfect color here. When the wood is smooth, the paint goes on so nicely. It's the cutest vanity I've ever seen. I'll put it here in the corner.
Pink, my favorite color. And it has a mirror. Shiver me cheddars, it's a garage sale. Let's see. Whoa, there's tons of cool stuff. Just what we need. It's the perfect size for our tiny dolls. I need help.
I'm here.
Do you have delivery?
Sure. It takes 2 hours.
That works. Woohoo! The furniture is here.
Sign the form, and it's yours.
Thanks a million.
What's this? What a lovely sofa. It actually looks good, but I'd like to level it up.
Great idea, and I'll level up this armchair.
First of all, I'll cover all the wooden parts.
I see. Getting down to work.
Now I'll add a splash of color. Sometimes you don't need to buy new things. You can transform old ones. Are you ready to see the final result? Wow, it looks like a new sofa.
Woohoo! I'm done here too, Sue.
Awesome. Well done, Sammy. I'll just remove the tape. I'll leave it to dry. The sofa and the armchair are ready to go in their spots.
Wow, a sofa. And it's so cozy too.
Here we go. We still need to paint the table. I'll make the wood smooth first. I think the yellow color will look perfect here. It's so bright and cheerful. Here's your table. I love this tablecloth. Flowers for you, dear.
Sue, I want paintings too.
No worries. I'll draw some. It needs more color. Is this painting nice, guys? I think it looks perfect on the blue background.
Sue, I've drawn a painting too!
It's a beautiful painting, Sammy. The rooms are finished. They are different, but lovely. And look at our magical castle.
Why don't we take a closer look, huh?
How are my babies? Wow, you've grown a lot while living with Uncle Sam.
We love it here. Look at how cozy our rooms are.
Yes, we've had a great time. The house is amazing, and it's fun here.
Sue, Sammy, thank you so much. No problem. We're happy to help. Guys, if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Stay with us to see what crafts we'll make in the next videos. See you soon!
Cap and I can help. Oh, it's perfect. Thank you, Lilac. Norbert would love that. We'd be honored. And I might add a little nervous. No reason, Cap. If I can grow a mushroom, I can recreate a lovely setting. Actually, all I remember about the day we met is that it was spring. I don't even remember the place. I'll go and search the royal toadstool. I'm sure it's written down somewhere. Maybe if you grow a few things, I'll remember. May I speak to you, Moss? 1 second, Your Majesty. Are you sure we can teach him to grow a flower? Because Prince Norbert is a frog.
I know that, Daff, but like you said, with the right teacher, you can learn anything. First lesson, watch what I do.
Magnificent! Oh, Olivia's going to love this!
Why did you make those sounds?
You know, to help the prince feel his power.
What power?
I'm ready!
Great. Okay, do exactly what I just did.
Oh,
Not bad for a first time. Try again.
No flower?
Oh, thank you, Lilac. Thank you, Cap. This looks exactly like the place where Norbert and I met. Unless this one was the exact setting, or that one. I'm so sorry. I can't remember one single detail. Don't worry, Princess. Why don't you close your eyes, relax, and think of the moment when you saw Prince Norbert for the first time. I haven't been able to find out a thing about where they met. I really haven't till sunset. Any luck? Water. There was a sound of water when we met.
Oh, you must have met at Duck Pond!
A new plan. Copy Daffodil instead. Daff?
This way, that way. Got it. Here we go. Ta-da!
Could you knit a little longer?
Ta-da! Whoa! Did I grow that moss?
Not really, but you're getting there.
What's going on?
Huh? What do you mean? What's going on? Nothing is going on.
Exactly. That's not normal. You're usually running all over the place making all sorts of stuff.
Hi, everyone. What's going on?
Nothing. I don't know where everyone else is, but the village is very quiet. So I'm taking the time to rest.
Oh, it's such a nice day. Everyone must be out in the park.
It's no time to be out. Just look at those clouds. It's definitely going to rain.
Thistle, you worry too much. I'm going to go and find the others.
You go back to relaxing, Thorn. I'll stay right here and warn you when it starts to rain.
I'm sure there's something I need to be doing somewhere.
No, This isn't the water sound I remember.
Maybe you met near Tadpole River. Lots of water sounds there. Like whoosh.
It was not a swish sound.
Maybe like a splooshy splooshy?
Cap, a princess doesn't make silly sounds. If anyone's interested, I found an entry in the Prince's Royal Diary telling all about the day he met Lady Olivia.
I've been teaching you all wrong, Your Highness. Instead of trying to copy us, you need to come up with a magical move of your own.
My own. I'll try. Huzzah! Ready, steady, go!
Hiya, Rose. We're teaching Prince Norbert how to grow a flower, so he can give it to Princess Olivia for the anniversary.
But a frog can't grow flowers like a lily bird. It's impossible.
Really? Uh-oh.
Rose, I'm about to show off my very own magical move. Moss has been a wonderful teacher.
Your Majesty, I have something to tell you.
I have something to tell you too. When I said anyone could learn anything, I didn't mean that...
Prince Norbert, go ahead. I'd like to see what you can do.
I made a real flower grow. Did you all see?
It was wonderful!
Now you can pick this flower and take it to Princess Olivia and tell her that you grew it just for her.
Oh, I'll do better than that. I'm going to grow another one right before her eyes. I better get to the pond.
And you were sitting next to this flower and this mushroom. Now, thank you all so much.
Olivia! Here I am! Oh, hello, everyone.
They were helping me, my love.
I needed a little help, too. What's this? You've created the exact setting of when we met. How romantic. And now, for my surprise. Ta-da! I don't understand. I was trying to...
Rain! That's the sound of water I remember. Just like the day we met. Oh, darling, you learned how to make it rain. How sweet.
Not as sweet as you, my darling. Shall we take a walk in the rain? Thank you both, but I think I should quit magic. My results are a little too... unpredictable.
I'm never gonna make a promise I can't eat again.
Me neither. You promise?